Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. And friends, you are in the right place at the right time watching this video because this video has so many fun elements going on that I'm very excited to share with you. Today I am opening a mystery box, but it is not any mystery box. This is a mystery box from another reseller, my friend Kelly Shaffner. Many of you already know and love Kelly Shaffner as much as I do. She has a fantastic channel all about reselling online. She has a lot of unboxings from Thredup, from Stitch Fix. She does Thrift Hauls. I'm just a huge fan, and she and I have collaborated before. Do you remember that Thredup handbag box that Kelly and I collaborated on? And we asked our viewers, our friends, you guys, to choose which bag I should send to Kelly from the Thredup box and which bag she should send to me. That was really fun, and guess what? It's in this big box, so we are sending each other the bag that our friends from the channel voted on, and also we wanted to send each other some love too, some other stuff, so we are sending each other inventory. So we are sending each other inventory that we know we like to sell, really good bread and butter brands, and brands that we want you, our viewers, to know about. So these are great brands to pick up for your reselling business because we know and love them. They sell well, they're consistent. When I sent Kelly her box, I also wanted to get things that I thought she might pick up. And when I was thinking about Kelly, I'm like, Kelly, to me, she's super positive. She loves red and pink and beautiful prints and kind of feminine stuff. So I tried to put a lot of that in the box I sent to her. When you're done watching my video, go over and watch Kelly's video and see what I sent her. And let us know in the comments, what do you think? What's your favorite piece? How do you think we did sending each other bread and butter brands that sell well on Poshmark and eBay? Do we think we got each other's style right? We love talking to you in the comments. That's what it's all about. So first we're gonna open this box. I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like when I open it. And let's see, so exciting and fun, right? I'm so glad you're here. Let's get in to the box. Let's get in to box. Did I tell you guys that at the end of my videos I include the bloopers? It's a little gift. If you make it all the way and watch the whole video, you get to laugh at me, with me at the end, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's see what the Kelly, ooh, look at this. Oh, okay. She has everything all wrapped up nice in here. See, this is the benefit of getting a box from another reseller. You guys should try this, like an inventory swap, because you know it's going to be pretty good because they know what sells and what doesn't. A little card. Hi, Quenby. It's always a joy to collaborate with you. I hope you enjoy the handbag my viewers selected for you. Thanks so much for all your efforts to edify and educate the reselling community. You are a blessing. Blessings, my friend, Kelly. Oh, I love you, Kelly. I hope you like the box I sent. Oh, we have a visitor.
Subscribe and like the video. You're probably subscribed, but like the video.
If you are subscribed already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not, why not? It's free. And hit the little subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. We have a lot of fun on the channel. We'd love to have you. Okay, how am I going to do this? I see shoes in here. How did she get Kelly, how'd you get shoes? Okay, let's start with the bag. Oh, I am in love. You guys were so good. So these must be the clear plastic that she stores things in. And she has a little thank you sticker. Let me know in the comments. Do you do like thank you stickers, thank you notes? Okay, I have a
mic now. I upgraded to a better camera with a mic, so you're going to hear this.
Oh my gosh. So if you didn't see that, let me get it open first. If you didn't see the Thredup handbags video that Kelly and I did, and you guys voted that she should send me this bag, and I am so glad you did. I could not love this anymore. I am a California boho girl. I'm a Northern California girl. I have wanted a fringe bag for so long. You guys didn't even know that. And you voted that from the Thredup rescue box, Kelly send me this bag. Look at this. Oh yes, I have my yoga leggings on. I should have put some cute jeans, but I live in yoga leggings now. Yes, please. Thank you guys so much. I love it. And I think it is genuine leather. Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you so much, Kelly. I love it. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she gave me a whole, look at this. It looks like ordering from Stitch Fix. It's all folded beautifully. I see some good prints. I feel like I'm doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. You guys, this is a brand to keep your eye out for. It's Storybook Knits. Now, it's just sold at QVC, but these are really special, one-of-a-kind pieces. I bought a lot of these on ShopGoodwill.com. She must have watched that video. This is a size 2X sweater. Oh my God, yes, okay? It's like a little cardi, and it's got an embroidered tulip on it. So one of my best purchases in 2020 was a lot of 7, I think it was, Storybook Knits sweaters in plus size. The lot on Shop Goodwill, I think it ended up being like $5 each. I sold them between $35 and $50. I think I only have one left. They all have a unique embroidered print. Ooh, is this linen? Now, oh my gosh. Am I supposed to sell this stuff, Kelly, or if I love it, can I keep it myself? I just recorded a video. Oh my God. I want this for me though, Kelly. Oh my gosh. It's a linen dress, 100% boxy boho linen dress. I just did a video, I think it's gonna go out before this one, how to sell online clothing that is bohemian, boho, lag and look fashion. This would fit in here perfect, a boxy linen dress. The brand's Tahari, which is a good brand. 100% linen, sleeveless, stripy dress. This will sell great. It's a small, I don't know if I'll be able to fit in, but the reason it'll sell so well, Tahari is a good brand, it sells. But for me, if I use keywords that are bohemian and lag and look keywords, lag and look just means layered look, that boho, long skirts, wide leg pants, tunics. I made a whole video about this. If you want more info, I can answer your questions in the comments or check out that video. Oh, this is a Free People piece. Kelly, you sweet hun. I sent her a Free People piece, not because she loves it, it's my favorite brand, but because I love it and I wanted to pass something really good on to her. Size medium, a Free People women's. Oh my God, it's a tunic top or little dress. Oh my gosh, ribbed, which is so hot in 2021, gray, super soft, oversized dress. I'm gonna be trying this on. I think Kelly and I have this in common where we resell as a business to make money, to bring in money for our families. It's a great side hustle, but we love the clothes and the fashion, and we are not afraid to keep something for ourselves. If I love something, I keep it for a while. I'll wear it, and when I'm done, I will sell it. Friends, I want to take a minute and make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. You'll find great reselling content, unboxings, thrift hauls, and a community of resellers that want to encourage and support you. So be sure you have subscribed, got photobombed by your son Torvald. That's really important. One thing I want to point out about Kelly's box is everything is in, like, she must wash everything and fold it or steam it or something because everything is in like immaculate condition. Okay, this is one of my best-selling brands on eBay. Mature women's brands like Chico's, J. Jill, Style & Co., Talbot's, especially in these big sizes. A 3 is an XL in Chico's Vanity. These are my best-selling brands. Look at this. What? Oh my gosh, it's another tunic. This is called a kimono sleeve. If it goes out wide like that, it's actually a kind of a bell kimono sleeve, but a great stretchy bright tunic. This would be so good, like if you're going on vacay to a resort or at the pool. It almost reminds me of resort wear with these great colors. Absolutely love it. Take a sip of water. If you're watching this video or you're listening because you're a reseller and you're taking photos or you're doing your listing, take a moment to make sure you're hydrated. Drink water. Ooh, Eloquii. I'm not super familiar with this brand, but this is another kind of white tunic top. Now, I live in white. I know I have black on. Oh, with a knotted front. So cool. I know that I have black on today, but I'm usually in white. I love white all year round. This is a 14-16, so plus size sells. So I hope as you're watching this video, you're having fun along with me, but you're learning too brands and styles that sell. Also, when I describe the items, I try to use as many keywords as I can. Keywords that you can put in your title and description that will help get your item sold because people are able to find exactly what they're looking for if you use the right keywords. So pay attention to keywords, pay attention to brands, styles, and things that I'm saying. I've been reselling for 10 years now. Fashion on eBay and 3 years on Posh. Ooh, look at this. J. Peterman. Okay. Look at the lace and then look, it's all like crochet and embroidered and studded. Come on. Oh, it's so romantic. I think it's new because it still has the bag attached. Now, Kelly goes to regular thrift stores. She also goes to the bins, the Goodwill outlet bins where you pay by the pound. So she's able to find some really great stuff. Wow. Oh, it's so romantic, which I just love. See the tiers? I'll put lace, crochet, embroidery, romantic, all in my title if I sell it. Honestly, Kelly watches my videos, clearly. I watch all her videos too. I'm a huge fan. So I need you to go over there and give her some love. Make sure you're subscribed and you comment when this video's over. She's amazing. She's getting all this stuff that she knows I would like, which I just think is so sweet. Oh, Madewell. Madewell is a really good brand. Not everything sells for me in the brand so well, but this is a 2X. What I mean by that is it's an amazing brand. I love it personally. It sells well, especially the denim and certain tops and sweaters. But just the plain tops, just like their slub cotton tops, they'll sit for me for a while and I usually get like 15 or 20. I'm looking for the sweaters. Cardigans do well, and I'm looking for Madewell jeans usually, or something that's more of a unique piece. I didn't even know Madewell did plus size. Oh yeah, this is a plus size cardigan with pockets. This is super on trend for 2021. Look at it, matches my nails. Kind of a coral orange red. These cardigans in 2021 are so hot. They're so popular. A long cardigan like this with pockets. And there's shoes. How did she get shoes in it? Oh my gosh, she sent me something really nice. Kelly!
You overdid yourself? No, outdid! You outdid yourself, and I'm
so grateful and thankful. Look at these, you guys, they're Coach shoes. I've sold a lot of Coach purses. I love the brand. I've gotten Coach shoes in my Thredup rescue box, and I was just so excited. These are sequined loafers. Look how she packed them too with bubble, and look how clean they are. I mean, to me, these look barely worn. I wonder if she cleaned them or she got them like this. These look like a larger size too. I'm an 8, and these are, I'm trying to get the size for you. I can't see it right away, but I'm gonna guess like at least a 9. Super, super cute. I want to thank Kelly Shaffner so much for taking the time to do this inventory swap with me. There was even a suede bag that I am absolutely in love with. I'm going to try on a few of these things for myself because I love what you sent so much. So now it's your turn, friends. Go on over to Kelly's channel, see what I sent her. What do you think of how I did getting a box ready for her? I really hope there's some things in there that she loves and wants to sell. These are great brands, styles, sizes, and fabrics that sell online. So I hope you've learned something about that. Thanks for watching, friends. Be sure you've liked the video. Be sure to go to Kelly's video. It's linked down below, and I'll see you in the next one. So fun. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Let's get this right. Let's get the right camera angle. Maybe I need to go in a little bit more. Yes. Okay, there we go. Many of you have, yeah, what's this little thing? I swear every video is like, let's have a weird, maybe no one will notice. Is anyone gonna notice this little flap? Maybe they are gonna notice. Okay, get on with it. If you start feeling sluggish, tired, unfocused, it might be because you need some water. That's a free public service announcement from me. Love you guys. See you in the next video.